The piracy menace in the Horn of Africa region has come under the spotlight recently, and in a very unusual way. ASAD, a short film about a young Somali boy who must choose between life as a pirate or that of a fisherman, has officially been nominated in the 85th Academy Awards. The 18-minute short film, which was shot entirely in Western Cape, features largely untrained actors cast from the local Somali community in Cape Town. CCTV's Travis Andrews spoke to the local co-producer and brings us this story.
ASAD, the poignant and coming-of-age tale about a young Somali boy faced with a sobering choice of a life as a pirate or that of an honest fisherman, and now official nominee for the Academy Awards. The 18-minute film, which was co-produced by Cape Town-based Rafiq Samsudin, was shot entirely in the Western Cape, featuring actors from the local Somali refugee community.
In terms of how the film has been received and the recognition that is being getting from, just various media that has reviewed the film is very overwhelming, I think, to the entire team. The fact that people are recognizing, this story as being something that is showing a different side and a more human side is probably partly the reason why it got us this prestigious nomination.
The role of ASAD, which was played by 14-year-old Arun Mohammed, called for a young and strong-willed individual. And while producers scoured the entire Somali community for the prospective lead, the role eventually fell to Mohammed, the son of a local Somali family.
The brief was, that the guy had to be resilient, he had to be tenacious, he had to be strong. And coming from a background in the story where, he was somewhat partly the kid that has to be the breadwinner in the family. So, he had to show that spirit of determination, of survival, of tenacity.
With Cape Town's film studios now officially recognized amongst the top 10 in the world and an increase in international features being filmed locally, industry officials believe ASAD's nomination bears further testament to an industry in the midst of a boom.
Well, I think it's fantastic news, not only for the filmmakers but also for the industry, and it's raising the profile of Cape Town. And also, it's nice that it's been nominated into the awards along with Searching for Sugar Man, the documentary about Rodriguez, which of course was partly filmed in Cape Town as well. So it's nice that we're showcasing this part of the world, specifically to the rest of the world, but it's nice that the technical abilities of the local filmmakers is being brought to the fore, and I think it's quite important for us.
For now, the hopes of the Somali cast and makeup ASAD and his producers will surely be hoping that come February 24th, the Oscar may just be brought home. While ASAD's storyline is thoughtful and provoking, it does share one common narrative with the previous local Oscar winner. Like Tsotsi, the Academy Award-winning film by Gavin Hood, both stories tell of a coming-of-age by a young man faced with tough decisions in his life. In this case, it may just be second time lucky, and Oscar will once again grace these shores. Travis Andrews, CCTV, Cape Town.